Hey, what's up guys, WRG here with a video, and today I have for you guys the R.A.T.S tourniquet, and this is the Rapid Application Tourniquet System, and I just got it on Amazon. I'll leave links below so you guys can check it out, but this is my first time actually checking it out myself in person. I've heard good things about it. What's nice about it, from what I understand, is that it's small and compact and easy to carry with you. So, you know, you could have the biggest, baddest cat tourniquet, but if you don't carry it on you, then what's the purpose, right? So maybe the cat tourniquet is good if you have like a small bag that you carry with you or something, but actually holstering it on you if you're not law enforcement is sometimes a little impractical, I think. So here it is, comes in the package. What does it say here? Speed equals life. So that's definitely true. Let's open it up and see how it comes. So pretty compact design. As you guys can tell, if you guys wanted to EDC this, I think it'd be pretty small and not too difficult to carry in your pocket, which is pretty much ideal for what you want for EDC carry. So let's open it up and check it out. So, you know, the point of this is that you could apply it quickly, right? So that's the point. I think the way they wrapped it there is probably the most ideal way, and probably how they have it on purpose. So it already comes with the loop ready to go. So, which is nice. I thought maybe you'd have to loop it in yourself. I wasn't too familiar with it. Let me see what this says here. 3-finger loop instructions before use. Okay, so 3-finger loop, pretty much ready to go. So basically, from what I understand, it's pretty simple. You could apply it on yourself, which is ideal, right? You want to be able to do that. So basically, if you have it here, let's say you have an injury, arterial bleed on your arm, right? Remember, this is not for a venous. This is not for a small thing. This is only for arterial bleeding. We're talking bright red blood that's like pulsating out of your body. So for those type of situations, right? Because if not, you're basically causing necrosis to the rest of your arm. You're not letting oxygen go, and it could be very dangerous for your limb. But like many people say, limb over life, right? So if it's versus your life or your limb, you're definitely going to want to lose your limb to save your life. But for most situations, you're probably not going to have an arterial bleed unless you actually get shot or stabbed. And then in this case, you might want to use this. Another cool application I thought for this is actually for surfing. Like if you get bit by a shark and you literally have a really bad attack on your limb, you know, this might be a good thing to carry with you. It seems pretty lightweight. It's not too cumbersome. Easy to carry with you. My dad actually lives in Hawaii, and he goes out in the ocean a lot, and he likes to do snorkeling and things like that. I actually recommended this to him, and it might be a good idea. Tell me what you guys think. Sound off in the comments below. So basically, the way to apply it should be pretty simple. You just wrap it over, and this will go through. So you have your loop, and then what you'll do is you'll start wrapping it around, I believe around 3 times or as many times as you possibly can, and pretty tight, and generally over the same area. I think that's about good. And you definitely want to secure it in, and I secured it in. Now, did I actually stop my pulse? Let's take a look and check. So I'm going to feel for it, and I do not feel a pulse. This is my radial pulse that I'm checking out, and I am not feeling a radial pulse. If it is, it might be very faint. So it is pretty effective. I did wrap it around 3 times. Obviously, venous blood is definitely stopped. That's no question. But what you want to stop is arterial. So I think I did a pretty good job of that. It does hurt because, you know, it's on pretty tight. Now I can just feel my blood just like going through. You see this big vein popping out, and you see it kind of red. So it's kind of like flushing, finally getting blood back in. So not something you really want to play with for too long. It could be dangerous. Make sure you guys know what you're doing. Get trained on using these properly. But all in all, the R.A.T.S tourniquet is pretty compact, pretty easy to use, I think, and I highly recommend it to you guys. So thanks for watching, guys. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave it down below. Please like, share, subscribe. Really helps out the channel. Check out my B channel, which is Mindset and Tactics. That's just my backup. And also, I'll have links below from Amazon, so you guys can check this one out. Those links do help out the channel. It doesn't cost you anything. You click on it, and you pretty much pay the same price as going to the main channel, except I get like a small kickback. So thanks a lot. Appreciate your support, guys. Thanks for watching, and like, share, sub. WRG out.